My name is Marie Box. I'm a biochem student at SUNY Oneonta. It is currently my senior year. I knew I wanted to go into science ever since I was in the 4th grade, but I also loved cooking at the same time. So I was going back and forth between wanting to be a chef or a scientist. When I did visit Oneonta's campus, I fell in love. This is where I'm supposed to be. I could just feel it. Over the summer, one of my friends, she was there's this internship that you could do that could help you get into the field. And I was yeah, I want to do that. I want to get experience. So then I came here from the first day. I was this is literally what I want to do with my life. I want to be in the kitchen. I want to be crunching in numbers, doing science, working with food. So yeah, it was very validating, this internship. One of my main goals, to go into the food science industry was because I wanted to make food healthier, less processed at least. So being able to work with Vêsucré, and that's one of their main things, is a clean label. That was very dear to my heart because I was that's exactly what I wanted to do. It's best to have experience beforehand than going. It's trying to walk in the dark. You don't know what you're doing, but if you have that experience, it's you have a little candlelight that helps guide your way. So yeah, I think you should just do the internship.